myself. Thank you for letting me tell, Mom. Don't! Don't! Hey, I didn't pay her. Sit down. Sit. What that sound?
She was coughing.
Why? Creeper, what's that on me? My daughter.
No hitting her. No hitting, please. Thank you.
Don't. Don't. Think you didn't talk then?
No, I think she was just choking on a piece of grass. She's okay now.
Why you would go down a piece of grass? Why?
I don't know. Careful, careful. Great, now, honey, you're gonna hurt both of your heads. Don't bunk heads with her, please.
Sit down, sit.
She's just stepping on you, isn't she? Delta, Graydon, do not headbutt her again. Graydon, what did I just say? Do you want to go inside? If you want her to leave you alone, you're gonna have to get up. You called her up here, okay? She was leaving you alone, but you called her up here. She's leaving you alone, so don't call for her. That's what you wanted. You wanted her to leave you alone, so don't whistle for her. Okay, then when she comes back, you have to be totally nice or you're going in the house. Treat her nice now, okay? Sit, Delta. Sit. Sit. I think she's too hot to sit down. Maybe she's too hot to sit down.
She take the wheel on her dress. She take the wheel on her dress. I moved her paw. But I move her